So yeah, guys, you can easily choose whichever farms you want to trade with or you want to participate in. You can see the pairs here. We have total staked APR, we have total rewards, we also have daily rewards, and the remaining time for each of these farms that are currently ongoing. Now, let's say you want to interact with any of this farm. All you need to do is just select, click on add liquidity, and you can kickstart your journey. So I'm just going to log out and log in so you guys can see how to get started with Alcor Exchange. Now, for starters, Alcor Exchange is currently a decentralized platform where you can trade in and create, as built on Wax blockchain. Provides cheapest exchanges for platforms like EOS. We also have TELOS blockchain and Proton too. So these are what Alcor Exchange currently provides. It currently ranks as the first self-listing DEX, and this is the official X handle. You can see the Telegram handle here, so you want to try as much as possible to join up. There's a large community there where you can get to meet with other experienced traders and other new users too. So you can also socialize, see what they're working on, and get to answer their questions. So I'm just going to click on Open Web. Let's join up. Then you can see here we have the pin tweet. It says they're currently giving out about 1,750 wax being distributed daily over a period of 90 days. I think October, November, December, January. I think the 90 days should be over now. So those that are participating on this, they want to look out for this. So these are the farms, and these are some of the benefits you'll be getting. So let's just go over here. Let's see how far we've joined up. So this is it. Click on the join up. Once you join up on the you can see here, I think we have I'm not a robot task. So once you join up here, you'll be able to interact or mute me. Yeah, so well done, capture completed. So you can see these are key insights and more. You can also try these using your mobile devices too, guys. So you can read up this. I'm just going to go back because there are not too much latest infos here. So this is the main exchange here, Alcor Exchange. Akahilz.exchange. Here you can swap, provide liquidity, trade on spots. You can also bridge tokens. Yeah, OTCs are available, NFTs. You can also see your wallet, cross-chain activities, and analytics. Now, I think I love these analytics a lot. But for starters, let's just connect our wallet, guys. I'm just going to come here and click on this. So this is the main interface you'll be getting access to. Said Akahilz is Lego of decentralized finance, built on multi-chain and provider of solutions to one tap. So the cool thing about these decentralized platforms most times is that there are no KYCs involved. You can trade limitedly. You be in control of your funds, and you can do whatever you want to do. You also get more access to more increased APYs. So some of the APYs you'll be able to see here, they are currently higher than what you get in centralized platforms. So we have supported and upcoming chains. We have Binance Smart Chain, and these are just some key insights you need to know. So I'm going to click here, connect your wallet using any of these options. So I'm going to use Was Cloud Wallet. So you can create your Was Cloud Wallet easily. It won't take you up to 30 seconds or 1 minute. Just fund it and you get activated too. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know in the comment section. So click on approve here. So you can see here, this is our balance here. We have 45 wax tokens, so you can get more. So I'm just going to click on the swap feature. Let's see. So on the swap feature, you can easily swap with any tokens on the Wax blockchain. You can click on max if you want to swap all. I'm just going to click on back. Let's select a token like we want to swap. So there's TLM, which is for alien words. So I think alien words is a good play to earn. There's even cred. There's cred for Music Mogul. Yeah, for Music Mogul. So let's say I want to swap about 3 wax. That's about it's going to give us about 0.8 cred. Wow. So I'm just going to try something. Let's say we want to swap about 5 wax. Okay, so it's going to give us about 1.4 cred. So even to earn cred, guys, you want to look into the Music Mogul. There you'll be able to get earn some cred by participating in the platform there. Most of these are just play to earn content. So I'm just going to click here, approve. So swap completed. We just got about 1.4 credit by swapping 45 wax tokens. So I'm going to try some more. Let's say we want to swap about TLM. Yeah, TLM. Yeah, let's try. Let's see what this. So we're going to be getting about 18. I need this to be about 20. So let's see 20. So we're going to swap about 5.32. I think it's not bad. Let me just make it 5.5. Yeah, this should do. So we're currently swapping here, creating volumes here. That's going to give us more eligibility of volumes in the long run. So one thing about platforms like this or decentralized exchanges like this is that one thing about Akahilz is that Akahilz currently, I think they don't have their native token yet. So you want to look out for this. So sooner or later they might be launching one. Let's say Akahilz. So you want to position for that. Next on the list we have sports. Okay, so done with the pool here. So for the pool, you can check your history to see your positions that are currently opened. If you have any, you can check your history. So these are histories for trades we just ran. Let's go back here. So these are new listings here. You can see top gainers, top volumes, just like you can see on platforms like CMC, that's Akahilz. So this is a really cool feature. So 7-day volume, we have these spot trading. We have so you can easily trade your wax for USDT here. You can see the 7-day volume, you can see the last price. So let's just go here. So wax is going to trade in about 0.57. So guys, I think this is real cool, guys. This is real cool. It's real cool. So you want to trade, you don't have any issues. So let's say you want to buy wax or you want to sell wax for USDT. Let's say you want to sell about 4 wax. You want to sell 4 wax. Let me like. Sell about 3 wax. Sell wax. Please order specify. So let me see. Please order specify. So let's see. Let's just go market trade. See with this. So it's almost initiating, guys. But I think I don't move as much as this. So you can either use your limit orders to complete your transactions, or you can use your market trade. Market trade gives you the best possible price that is on the market. While the limit order, you have to be the one to select the price that you're comfortable with in trading. So I just placed a sell order, and you can see here we now have about 0.1736 here, which is cool. So you guys can trade your wax directly here. If you have USDT in your wallet, you can easily make trades, whatever you want to do, guys. So I'm just going to go to bridge. Yeah, you can bridge also. So, but I'm not going to do that in this video because of time. I just want to make this video as fast as possible. But Akahilz currently uses the inter blockchain connectivity bridge. It allows you to bridge assets between antelope chains. So antelope chains like we have the likes of EOS, Proton, TELOS, and wax. So you can select your network. Let's say you want to bridge from wax to TELOS. Okay, so you can see. So I think this is mad, guys. This is really mad. So I'm just going to click on here. Let's just try. Let's see. Let's just see how it works, guys. So this video might be a little bit lengthy, guys. But meanwhile, I'm just going to take you guys directly to Discord while that is loading. So on the Discord, make sure you join up on Discord. When you join up on Discord, you want to make sure you get the role. There's a rule called the I think there's a rule you need to get that you'll be able to get access to airdrops. You get notified whenever there's an airdrop. So this is it, the Alcor Army rule. So react to this message to get your rules. So are you ready to get in front line the word about Alcor Exchange and earn rewards? So this is one of the benefits. So Akahilz thumbs up. We just did our thumbs up and we're good to go. So if you don't do this, you will not be notified about you won't be pinged about upcoming activities or more. So make sure you get this rule. It's free to get and it's very okay. Make sure I'm also going to try as much as possible to drop my invite link here so you guys can join up. well, with my invite link. I think there are currently some giveaways currently happening on Alcor Exchange, guys. So you want to look out for some of these campaigns that are coming up, so you can participate in them. So I think I'm connecting here, so I'm just going to wait for this to connect. Okay, so approve. So I just approve for this. So I'm going to approve for TELOS. Wow. Oh, yep. So I think you need to connect your TELOS wallet. Wallet not connected. So I'm going to have to set that up so we can be able to push through with bridging directly from these TELOS chains. Now this is for OTC. So whatever you want to do, let's say you want to trade OTC deals, these are what you can do here. You can easily come here and do them. It's also very reliable, although you want to make sure you're familiar with this so you don't lose out on your funds. Now for NFTs, you can also come over here. So I'm just going to check here. There are lots of stuff here. Now here you can see your wallet history, you can see your open orders, you can see resources, you can see you can see everything about your wallet, which is real cool. You can also add your friend's wallet, which is another feature I find very interesting. So let's say you have maybe your child's wallet or your friend's wallet. I think this is one of my guys' wallets. This is a friend's wallet I added. So you can look up on Twitter, look for anybody's address just to see how this feature works, and just add them up, and you'll be able to analyze see what they are currently pushing out. You can also transfer funds to them. So let's say you are currently pushing out giveaways, or you want to give out funds, you can use this feature too. It's a really great feature. Just click on your profile, add it, send trade offer, or transfer funds to them. Let's say you want to transfer funds, they will be able to get it. So these are some NFTs we have in our wallet. We can easily push these out to them. So that's a great feature. So next, cross-chain activities, where you can bridge chains between chains, and analytics too. So this is analytics for the Wax ecosystem, or for Alcor Exchange. You can see TVL logs, you can see swap trading volume. So it gives you an overview of what's currently happening on Alcor Exchange, which is cool. Sports, then also docs. Docs is where you want to see some key informations about this project and what they're currently pushing out. So if you want to look at your roadmap, you can also try these out. So I think this is cool too. Now for lastly, you can also make additions or send your feedback to Alcor Exchange. So I'm just going to try and sign up. You can see some of the feedbacks other users are currently pushing out, and I think in the long run some users might get rewarded for providing their feedback. So I'm just going to see if I can connect with my Gmail and provide a feedback. I think I noticed some issues where I was coming up while I was using the platform. So guys, don't forget, Alcor Exchange currently provides you lots of opportunities. They give you access to this decentralized experience using TELOS chains. You can also bridge directly. You can also join up on the Discord, Telegram communities, so you can get access to some of the perks. And take note, Alcor Exchange, they don't currently have any native token that is currently available, so you might be looking out for that. Create as much trading volumes on there. Trade your Wax NFTs too, guys. You can send them, you can do whatever you want to do. Now currently logged in here, so I'm just going to see here what I can do here, like Atomic Orb. Okay, you can see feedback people just I'm just going to create mine. Title of this, I think we saw one here. I'm just going to come back here because this is for cross-chain bridges, where you can easily bridge cross chains, simple swap, using simple swap. I think this is a really great feature, guys. So I'm just going to come here. I think I found on the advanced mode does not currently work. Advanced mode on so these are how to make your own impressions or make your mark. Advanced mode, on Alcor farm. Alcor farm, yeah. This toggle button currently does not work. Toggle button currently does not work for websites or desktop users. Can't say about mobile users yet. So this is one the investment does not work, so I'm just going to submit this. So this is the first one that I submitted. Is important. When do you need this? Sooner. How often would you use this? Regularly. So this is it. The next one, yeah, so this is it, guys. Just make contributions and you're good to go. Just say what you want to say, and cheers. Peace out. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, join the Telegram community, join also Discord community, so you get access to some of the information. Then make sure to create as much volumes as you can create on Alcor Exchange, guys, and good luck, guys. Peace out. Bye.